Welcome back to Product Critique, your G-Auto channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the pinnacle of wireless audio, the Audioengine A2 Plus wireless Bluetooth PC speakers. These speakers aren't just your average audio equipment, they're a powerhouse of sound engineered for the modern lifestyle. With 60 watts of power and aptX Bluetooth technology, they deliver unparalleled audio quality and seamless connectivity. Whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite playlist, or binge-watching the latest series, the A2 Plus wireless Bluetooth speakers elevate your audio experience to new heights. And let's not forget about their versatility. They're perfect for any occasion, from casual listening to intense gaming sessions. Setting up these speakers is a breeze, with all the necessary accessories included right out of the box. Plus, with their compact size and elegant design, they seamlessly blend into any environment, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the satisfied customers who have experienced the magic of the A2 Plus wireless Bluetooth speakers firsthand. With countless rave reviews and a reputation for excellence, it's no wonder why the Audioengine A2 Plus wireless Bluetooth PC speakers are considered the best in their class. So why settle for anything less when you can experience audio perfection with these incredible speakers? That wraps up our review of the Audioengine A2 Plus wireless Bluetooth PC speakers. If you're ready to elevate your audio game, be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy listening.